Your weather radio station KDO95 broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz from Blackstrap Hill in Falmouth, Maine. The current time is 7:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The 7 a.m. coastal weather observations for southwest Maine and New Hampshire. In Rockland it was clear, the temperature was 46 and the wind was calm. In Wiscasset it was clear, the temperature was 48 and the wind was calm. At Portland it was partly cloudy, the temperature was 51 degrees, the dew point 50, giving a relative humidity of 96%. The wind was west at 6 miles an hour, and the pressure was 30.30 inches and rising. In New Hampshire, Portsmouth was partly cloudy, the temperature was 52, and the wind was west at 3 miles an hour. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest Maine, including the cities of Portland, Kittery, Sanford, Windham, Lewiston, and Brunswick. Today, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s near the coast, with highs in the upper 70s inland. Light and variable winds, becoming south around 10 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, clear. Lows in the mid-50s near the coast, with lows in the lower 50s inland. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s near the coast, with highs in the mid-80s inland. Light and variable winds, becoming southwest around 10 miles an hour in the afternoon.
And now here's the recreation forecast for Sebago Lake. Today, west winds around 5 miles per hour, shifting to the south this afternoon. Waves less than 1 foot. Water temperature 78 degrees. Sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. No lightning is expected. Tonight, south winds around 5 miles per hour, shifting to the west after midnight. Waves less than 1 foot. Water temperature 78 degrees. Clear. Lows in the lower 50s. No lightning is expected. Sunday, west winds around 5 miles per hour, shifting to the southwest in the afternoon. Waves less than 1 foot. Water temperature 78 degrees. Sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. No lightning is expected.
The Portland, Maine climate summary for yesterday, September 4th, 2015. Yesterday's high temperature was 72 degrees, and the low 53 for a mean temperature of 63 degrees, and was 1 degree below the normal of 64. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.02 inches. This is 0.40 inches below the normal amount of 0.42 inches for September. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 26.78 inches, which is 3.38 inches below normal. No snow fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.0 inches. This is normal for September. The total snowfall for the year still stands at 0.0 inches, which is normal. There were 2 heating degree days yesterday, which is 1 below normal. This brings the monthly total to 2, which is 8 below normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 12, which is 43 below normal. There were no cooling degree days yesterday, which is 2 below normal. This leaves the monthly total at 22, which is 14 above normal. The yearly total since January 1st is 417, which is 81 above normal. The record high for today is 90, which occurred in 1971, and the record low is 40, which occurred in 1965. Sunrise today is at 6:09 a.m. and sunset is at 7:10 p.m. The Great Maine Climate Summary for yesterday, September 4th, 2015. Yesterday's high temperature was 73 degrees and the low 55. No precipitation fell yesterday. Here is the latest marine forecast for the following coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to the Merrimack River, Massachusetts, out 25 nautical miles. Today, north winds around 5 knots, becoming southwest this afternoon. seas around 2 feet. Tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming 5 to 15 knots after midnight. Seas around 2 feet. Sunday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Sunday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Monday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Monday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Tuesday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Tuesday night, southwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wednesday, southwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Wednesday night, southwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Here is the latest marine forecast for the following: Casco Bay, Maine. Today, northwest winds around 5 knots, becoming south this afternoon. Seas 1 foot or less. Tonight, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. Sunday, southwest winds around 5 knots, becoming south in the afternoon. Seas 1 foot or less, then 1 to 2 feet in the afternoon. Sunday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Monday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Monday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Tuesday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Tuesday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Wednesday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wednesday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet.
Here is the tide information. At Rockland, high tide is at 5:20 p.m. Saturday and 6:02 a.m. Sunday. Low tide is at 10:56 a.m. and at 11:40 p.m. Saturday. At Portland, high tide is at 5:25 p.m. Saturday and 6:08 a.m. Sunday. Low tide is at 11:05 a.m. and 11:51 p.m. Saturday. And at Hampton, high tide is at 5:39 p.m. Saturday and 6:22 a.m. Sunday. Low tide is at 11:37 a.m. Saturday and 12:23 a.m. Sunday.
And now the synopsis and forecast for the following. Synopsis for New England waters. A high-pressure ridge will drift offshore today through Sunday night, then shift slowly southeast of the area late Monday into Tuesday night while weakening. A cold front will approach from the north Monday, then stall and weaken north of the area Monday night into Tuesday. Another weak cold front will approach from the northwest Wednesday into Wednesday night. And now the synopsis and forecast for the following. Gulf of Maine to Hague line. Today, northeast winds less than 10 knots, becoming variable. Seas 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, west to southwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Sunday, west to southwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Sunday night, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Monday, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Monday night, west to southwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Tuesday, west winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming southwest 10 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Tuesday night, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Wednesday, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Wednesday night, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming west to southwest 5 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Here are the latest automated marine observations along the Maine and New Hampshire coasts as of 8 a.m. At Mount Desert Rock, the wind was west at 7 knots, and the air temperature was 61. At Matinicus Rock, the wind was west at 5 knots, with gusts to 5 knots. At the Portland weather buoy, the wind was west at 4 knots, the temperature was 59, seawater temperature 63, and 2 foot, seas every 6 seconds. At Wells, the wind was calm with a temperature of 53, and water temperature 61. Isles of Shoals had northwest winds at 6 knots, the temperature was 60. At Jeffreys Ledge, the water temperature was 62, with 2 foot, seas every 7 seconds. At Cash's Ledge, the wind was at knots. The temperature was 63, with 2 foot, seas every 5 seconds. George's Bank had north winds at 17 knots, with gusts to 21 knots. The temperature was 69. The water temperature was 75 with 6 foot, seas every 7 seconds. The following are provisional marine observations provided by the Gulf of Maine Ocean Observing System. At 7 a.m., the buoy located 10 miles north of Mount Desert Rock reported northwest winds at 3 knots, waves 1.2 feet. At 7 a.m., the buoy located 3 miles southeast of Owl's Head reported west winds at 3 knots, waves 0.9 feet. At 7 a.m., the buoy located 3.5 miles southwest of Monhegan Island reported southwest winds at 3 knots, waves 1.5 feet. At 7 a.m., the buoy located 9 miles east of York Beach reported north winds at 4 knots, waves 2.2 feet.
The 8 a.m. weather observations across New England. At Portland, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 58 degrees, the dew point 55, giving a relative humidity of 90%. The wind was west at 5 miles an hour, and the pressure was 30.31 inches and rising. Freiburg, sunny 57. Wiscasset, sunny 58. Augusta, sunny 58. Bangor was mostly sunny and 56. And in Caribou, sunny 53. In New Hampshire, Portsmouth reported mostly sunny. The temperature was 58. At Concord, fog was reported, and the temperature was 52 degrees. In Lebanon, fog was reported with a temperature of 56. In Vermont, Burlington was mostly sunny and 62. Montpelier reports fog and 54 degrees. In southern New England, Boston was sunny and 62. Worcester was sunny and 62. Hartford, Connecticut, mostly sunny 59. Providence, Rhode Island, mostly sunny 61. In Albany, New York, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 65. And in New York City, it was mostly sunny and 68 degrees.
And now here is the latest. High pressure centered over New England this morning will shift south today. This high will remain anchored just to the south of New England through midweek and provide our region with above normal warmth and mostly dry weather. A frontal boundary may move southward out of Canada and possibly provide some cooler temperatures, and a shot of showers and thunderstorms midweek or late in the week. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest Maine, including the cities of Portland, Kittery, Sanford, Windham, Lewiston, and Brunswick.